I'm working on this Audi A3 today. Now I'm doing a full Symphony setup on this car, and I'm not going to show all of the ins and outs of how to do this. I've done quite a few of these and I've shared quite a few videos on that, but this car's going to have a bit of a finished result that's different from before, so that's what I am going to show you. And so I guess this is one of the first big milestones, which is all of the panels are pretty much off on the car. So we've got the door cards off, and we've got the special part, which is the vents that are off as well. Same has been done to the rear. So time to start with the install. And so there are the old vents and these are the new ones. So replacing the Audi style ones with these Mercedes style ones, which have the ambient lighting going into them as well. So that should be a really nice upgrade. It's going to really freshen up the interior and yeah, give the car a nice fresh new look. So there we are, ready, let's go. With this setup, the way the customer wanted it and stuff, I've done it so that it can all be controlled in basically 3 different sections. Door handle, door storage and footwells will be one, the strip lights and the speakers will be another, and the vents can be a third color. So this is pretty crazy looking right now. Or you can set everything up to be all one color like so. Because these are genuinely brilliant cars and so much car for the money. These Audis didn't really go out of date for such a long time, which is a nice feature about them. So everyone, I just wanted to kind of round this video off by saying a couple of things actually. One is, I know I didn't film how to do the vents and stuff like that on this exact example, and it was just a timescale thing and I didn't want to keep kind of almost repeating the same videos and stuff. But going forward, if I definitely do another one of these installs, I will 400% do a full video showing how to do it and stuff like that. This was, again, just a video I kind of made more of a showcase as to what these cars can look like. What I will say though is if you are really interested in doing these vents and you really want to know roughly how to do it, it's super easy. You gotta just remove the glove box to help guide the wires around, and you can route them through from different parts of the dashboard, similar to how the Mercedes A-Class ones are. So I'll leave a link for those videos in the description down below as well, so you can kind of get an idea of how to do it all. But yeah, everyone, I hope that this video has been somewhat inspirational for you. If you want to get this install done for your car, you can obviously get in touch with me. I'll leave a link for the Mr. GCC website and you can basically book yourself in directly through there. Or the other option is you can purchase the stuff yourself. I'll leave a link for the Tams factory website, and that will be you buying directly from all of the suppliers that I use for these exact installs. I look forward to seeing you in a future video. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Bye.